In this tutorial, we'll pair the thermostatic head and thermostat with the central unit. Go to the menu. Press and hold the icon until it jumps to the installation menu. Press Create House. Create a room by pressing the plus sign. Remove the old name and give the room a name, for example, Attic. Confirm by pressing the green check mark. Return to the previous menu by pressing the arrow key. Then go to RF initialisation. Press Heating. Select the room that has just been created, in this example, Attic. Press the green check mark. Now set the room thermostat to RF mode. Put the room thermostat into RF mode by holding down the button until you see RF. Then press the button again. INI will appear. Now press RF initialisation on the central unit. Remove the old name and give the room thermostat a name. For example, Thermos from Thermostat. Confirm by pressing the green check mark. Now link the thermostatic head to the corresponding room. Go to RF initialisation. Press Heating. Then go to the same room to which the thermostat is linked. In this example, Attic. Now set the thermostatic head to RF mode. On the thermostatic head, press the check mark until 4 zeros appear. Then press the right arrow key once. It now says RF on the screen. Now press RF initialisation on the central unit. Remove the old name and give the thermostatic head a name, for example, Head. Confirm by pressing the green check mark. The thermostatic head is now linked to the central unit. If more thermostatic heads need to be linked, repeat the configuration.